Are you opening your presents? What did you get, Ainsley?
Yes.
Oh. That looks nice.
What is it?
Well, let's find out. What is it, Rowan? What is it? It's a telescope, so you can see the stars and the moon and the planets.
Yeah, but where is it?
It's inside the box.
Yeah, I see.
Sure, we can open it.